Hey, in the next 5 minutes, I will show you how to start up your AliExpress dropshipping business with zero capital. You don't need to have any money on your account before you can actually start dropshipping on AliExpress. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video so you don't miss out on this helpful information I'm about to pass across to you in this very video. And in case it's your first time of coming across this channel, I'm First Olery, and here in this channel we share content about how to make money online, quotation business, and many other businesses ideas that can actually help you grow your businesses. So do well to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely for free. Also, don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be the first person YouTube will notify when I upload valuable content like this. So without further ado, let's get in. So the very first step is to head on to our Ecwid website. This is where we'll be creating our online store. You also have to come here and click on get started for free because you're going to be creating this online store for $0. It's actually for free. Okay. When we are here on this page, you can either use your name, email, and password to create your account, and you can also come down here to use Apple, Facebook, or Google. But let's just use Google here to use our email. So on this aspect, you just come here, select the email address you want to use. Okay, so when it loads up like this, it's going to redirect us to fill in these details. The very first one, you have to come here and input your store name, whichever name you want to give to your online store. So I may just say Real Mart, and then come to the next section, which is your country, Nigeria, and the currency. The currency is currently on Naira, but you can actually change it to whichever currency you want to use it for, depending on your dropshipping. But I recommend we change it to dollar. So you click on it and change it to USD. You can see we have different currencies here, most of the currencies in the world. So come up here and change to US dollar. After that, come down and click on next. Clicking on next to bring us to this section where we have to come and fill in our address detail. The first one is to input your city. So you click on it and input your city. The second section is to input your state. So just come and look for your state. And then the next one is your zip code. Come and input your zip code. After that, click on next. Then it's going to bring us to this section where they are asking some couple of questions, but I don't often see this to be so important. I think they are just trying to carry out a survey. You can either go ahead to answer the question, but even if you don't answer the question, there's no problem. Just come down and click on next. After that, this session is asking, do you already have a website? You come down and click on the drop down arrow, then say no. Okay, so come down and click on next. When it loads up, it's going to bring us to this section where we can actually come and select the plan we want to use for creating this store. That's the payment plan. You can see we have creating your store for free, creating for $21 monthly, creating for $39 monthly, creating for $89 monthly. The goal here is to create a free account. Maybe after now you can actually top up your game and go for paid version, but we are going to be using this free account. So you come down and click on create a store. It's free. This is how the interface is going to look like. What we are going to be doing here is to do a couple of things like setting up your website store, adding a product or services, review region, and many other editing that we are supposed to carry out here. But what we have to do right now is to head on to this left hand side. You can see here, you come down and come to this section where we have apps. So what I'm about to do right now is to go get a product from AliExpress. That's the product to be drop shipping. I'm going to get it from AliExpress and then come and paste it here. Okay, that is posting it on this store that I'm about to create. So what I will have to do now is to come down and is to come up here and click on search apps. I'll click on it and then you search AliExpress drop shipping, or you can just leave it at AliExpress, anyone. Then when you scroll down for these options, you can see we have some of these apps they are paid while some are for free. Okay, so the goal is to get this done here for free. So you have to come and use this very one SUP here, click on it, and when it loads up it's going to bring up this interface. What you have to do is to just come and install it here, and then you install. So we are just going to wait for it to install. Now it has installed and it's opening up. So it has installed. I'll just click on open app. Now you can see this is the interface. You can see these are some of the sales I've made so far with this very account. You can see I've made some sales here, two orders, and so what we have to do right now is to go and get the product you actually want to drop ship from Aliexpress. Okay, so to do that you have to come to this left hand side again and then come and click on find product. That's the first option. Then come down and click on imported product. Now, when you click on imported product, you can see this is a product I've already imported here before now. But for you to import a product from AliExpress, all you have to do is to head on and open a new tab. Then you access AliExpress on your new tab. Okay, so you can see we have different types of products here, but I'm just going to select any of these products and then add it to our store. Okay, so I'm just going to pick any product here, like I said. Okay, so let me take this very one here. Now, when you click on this product and it loads up like this, what you have to do is to copy the link of this product, okay? And to do that, come up to this very section here, this top section, and then double click on it. So you come and copy it. After that, you come back to your previous tab. Here we have the app. You can see the first step is to impute the URL of the product, right? So I'm just going to paste it here. Then I've been pasted this product here. I'll come back. The second tab is to, that is the second session, is to impute the product name. So I'll just have to go to AliExpress again to look for the name of the product. You can see here's the name of this product. So you can either give it a random name by just copying a section of this name. I'll just say fashion man. I'll copy this. I think this is okay. And then copy it. After copying it, I'll have to go back to my previous tab again and then paste it here. Okay. I'll paste it. And it has been pasted. The next thing you have to do now is to come up here and click on import product. So you can see the product has been successfully added here. So what I will do is to come and list it to my store on Ecwid. So I'll just come and to this second option and click on list it to store. So you can see here, this is where you have to come and edit the price of the product to how much you want to sell it on your website. So I'm just going to like use $20 for example here. So it depends on how much you want to sell for. All right. So after you've done that, you come down and click on list it now. And once it loads up, it means the product has been successfully added to your your store. So what we'll have to do right now is to head back to the store on Ecwid to see if this product was successfully listed. So you can see I'm back to my Ecwid, and on this left side, if I go down after the dashboard, you can see my sales, and I'll have to go to my catalog. If I click on it, you can see that I have couples of products here, and this is the product I just added. Now, this is the first product on the list, right? So what I will have to do is to delete this product, the rest of this product, these samples. I will delete this other product. Okay. So let me just come up now and delete all of these products. So once you're done marking all of this, you come to this right corner at the top and click on delete all samples. And then you come and click on yes. So you see we have only this product we listed here from Aliexpress left on the store. What we have to do is to come back to edit the website. And to do that, you come back to dashboard, and then you can see on this right side corner, you can see we have set up your website and store. So we also have to click on it. You can see when it loads up, it's going to bring out different interface that we can come and edit to suit our store. I've actually made a detailed video on how to edit your storefront using Ecwid. I'm going to leave a link to that video in the description section of the video. So I'm not going to be going through all the process of editing all of this again in order to save time. Okay, so now you can see we have here, this is the website. So by the time you see that video I recommended, I will leave a link to it in the description section. You'll be able to create your website, edit it. You can see here on the store, we have the product here that we listed from AliExpress. I don't know why this picture looks so blurry, but that's just by the way. Anyways, so can just come back and edit all of these sessions. If you see that video, you'll be able to do all of this. Okay, so just go and see that video so you know how to edit your website, that's your store, and also add your payment details. After you've done that, the next thing you've got to do is to publish your store. So you can see on this right top corner, I can actually publish my store right now. So I'll click on publish. But like I said, make sure you've edited your website before you actually publish. Okay, so if I should go and view my website now, and see this is how my website is going to look like, and then I just have to come down. This is the product right here. So you can see the product here. This is it. So it's just left for you to edit your store. After editing the store, like I said, go and check out that video so you know how to edit your store. After you've edited your store, you have to publish it. Then people can actually start placing order on your store. In case you have any question, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section below. And don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up to enable it get to lots and lots of people who are also interested in dropshipping with AliExpress. I can't wait to see you in my next video.